Welcome
Hello.
to Disney's Beach Club Villa Resort.
Awesome. Brand new.
This is a renovated room here at the Beach Club Villas. So this is not part of the main Beach Club Resort. This is on the DVC side. So we are in a deluxe studio. All right, come on in.
All right. What are we working
We
with?
first have the kitchenette. So we've got microwave, we've got sink, and fancy Keurig with a coffee pot and a Keurig cup.
That's awesome.
I know, it's fancy.
Shelf space.
We've got toaster up here. Oh, isn't
Mm-hmm.
that's similar to what we have at home. We have paper products here, so paper towel and then paper plates and cups and utensils. And then we've got the mini fridge here, pretty good size. And of course we have, you know, the Keurig pods and then also these because
Drip coffee.
there's this side too. And the to-go cups. And then the DVC resorts come with the dish soap and the scrub, which is nice.
That is nice.
All right, let's show the main room and then we'll come back for bathroom.
Okay.
So once you walk in, we are in a deluxe studio. So we have one queen bed and then we have a Murphy bed. So that was part of the refurbishment. So we will pull that down. It's obviously a couch and we'll pull that down in a minute.
Mm-hmm.
And then over here we have the single pull down bed. So we'll do that in a minute too, but you move these chairs and then this table turns into a bed. So only one nightstand, and it's kind of a small one. No nightstand on this side. And actually, I kind of wish there was like more of a headboard.
Yeah, it's a little bare on that wall.
Yeah, I mean, I guess that's kind of more like a beach style, like a beachy vibe. But I think they could have done something a little bit bigger or like more fun. And then over here, you know, we do have the bed, but like we have some counter space. But I like how they have like these lamps and stuff, but the drawers are deep but skinny. So it's definitely nice to have these drawers. But then there's also closet space. And then you have those on both sides too. So, and then this little thing is the coffee table, but it moves. So let's see if I can roll it.
Here, want me to do it?
I think I can do it. Let's see.
Are you sure?
No, I can't do it.
So.
Actually, yeah, I'm just going to tell you what to do. Roll that coffee table.
Okay, and then we'll pull this down.
Yeah, we will, but I want to show the pillows.
Yeah, it's cute.
It's so
Daisy.
cute. Daisy duck with little bows. I love these. And then I want to see if this is
like this.
comfortable. It's not too bad. Yeah, and then this is just so cute.
Stormalong Bay.
Yeah, there's Donald and Huey, Dewey, and Louie with a little turtle. So let's move the pillows.
Okay.
And then I will let you Vanna White. Oh my gosh, that is so cute.
That's awesome. Yeah.
Normally, these Murphy beds that we've stayed at in other resort rooms, it's comfortable.
Yeah.
We've never had.
No,
any
we've not.
issues.
No, they're usually pretty comfortable.
Let's see here. I think it's fine.
Yeah.
But oh wait, hold on. Let me put the lamp on or the light. Because this is just too cute. It looks like a picture.
Yeah, it
like
does.
a canvas. And it's Huey, Dewey, and Louie with Donald buried in the sand.
With the boardwalk in the background?
Yeah, so they're at the beach club. The castle, like a sand castle that looks like the Cinderella's castle. And then across the Crescent Lake.
And Donald's buried in the sand.
Is the boardwalk with a little shooting star and palm trees. That's just adorable.
Yeah, it's cool.
That's so cute. And then this is cute too. So very Donald Daisy Duck themed here. We've got the shells, but then we also have little duck feet. Isn't that cute?
It is pretty neat.
Oh wait, what's this? It's like a what the heck? I don't know what that is. But the shells are cute. And then the shower curtain in the bathroom also has a little Donald touch, which we can show.
Yep.
But, okay. So that's what you would do with that. And then you move the chairs. And this room accommodates 5.
That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice, huh?
Yeah, it is. Okay, do you think you can do this with the camera? No, because you have to push the blocks in.
Alright, and then it just folds out like that. Pretty nice and easy.
And then we've got Uncle Donald again.
That's pretty cool. That again is the beach club right there.
Yeah, so this is Donald. And then this is the, looks actually, this kind of looks like the beach club.
The beach club villa.
And then this is like
the lighthouse
club thing where you catch the boat, the friendship boats. But yeah, so this room accommodates 5.
It's nice.
It is nice.
Spacious.
Yeah, it does work. You know, if you're gonna be here for a number of nights, you'll definitely want to kind of get situated and organized to see what works best if you do have 5 in here. Like moving this or where you want the chairs. There's actually a good space right by the front door where we kind of just dropped our stuff. But that's always a good place to like store luggage and store things too. So we'll go over this way. Oh, little sand or starfish.
Oh, that's cool.
All the beach club details. It's cute, huh? So in here, that's that space I was just talking about. Like it's kind of stroller or extra luggage, or even if you needed to bring one of those chairs over here. So closet. Oops.
Closet space.
Iron, extra pillows and blankets, hangers, laundry bags, safe, ironing board, and then it goes pretty deep, and that's where they have the luggage rack. So you could pull that out to prop luggage up as well. We've got one sink, but good counter space, makeup mirror, regular mirror, towels, and then down here we have the hair dryer. And then bathroom. This bathroom setup reminds me of boardwalk villas.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. So standard. It's just standard in here. Toilet, and then this is cute.
That is
with Donald.
Very cute.
And then standard shower. We've got H2O pumps.
The tile has like a sand look to it.
It does. And then just regular shower head and bathtub.
And a piece of artwork.
Last but not least, the balcony. Nothing too crazy.
Nope.
Okay. So it's raining.
It's actually really just humid too.
Oh yeah, it did stop raining.
Yeah. It's more so like the humidity, I think.
So this is a smaller balcony here. It's just a standard view.
Yeah.
In fact, that's a road, which you can kind of hear the traffic a little bit. But you've got trees.
Yep.
So that's that. I don't think we'll be spending too much time on the balcony this stay. So that's okay, especially with the weather. But it's, you know, it's better to have like trees than a parking lot. So, but yeah, that's the Beach Club Deluxe Studio. We've never stayed in this room before. We've stayed over at the Beach Club Resort, and these are the renovated ones, so it's kind of nice. But this resort as a whole best pool on property. Like Stormalong Bay, sand bottom, lazy river, slide,
Hot tubs.
hot tubs. It's the best pool on property. Location is great. You can walk to Epcot, friendship boats to Hollywood Studios and Epcot, and you have the bus to Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, Disney Springs, and just the whole vibe here is so much fun. So in a couple days, I don't think we have time right now, but in a couple days, when we get a little bit more time, we will show a little bit more of the resort and the lobby and the amenities. I actually have some Stormalong Bay vlogs from when we've stayed at the beach club and the yacht club in the past, so I can link those. But I still want to show like the lobby and some of the stuff. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be here in like 1 second. So here we go. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's a new day, and like I said, we'll show a little bit more of the lobby area. We're gonna go down to get some breakfast, and it looks like a really nice day today. So we're gonna go enjoy a little bit more of the beach club before we check out. Looks like it's gonna be a really nice day. We enjoyed our short little staycation here. Now it's time to go get some
breakfast.
Disney breakfast. We're walking to the elevator, and even the carpet has little Donald Duck prints. It's pretty cute.
It's cute.
So we are here on the DVC side. They still have like the fresh flowers over here. This is the breezeway. They're actually still doing some like renovations and things, but it's so pretty in here. I love everything, like the colors, and I absolutely love this picture. It is so cool. You could come down here and read, drink coffee, even eat your breakfast. We could bring our food back here. And then across the way, it says the drawing room. And it's like a little hangout room. We've got pool, which you can ask the front desk if you want to get the equipment. Just kind of like a little sitting room or work area. We've got a TV in here. Yeah, it's really nice. It is. It's a fun place. So like if you had your family was all kind of staying at the villas and you all wanted to kind of like meet and hang out, there's actually a lot of little areas.
There is.
And we'll show you another one when we go over to the main building. Okay, so we are stepping out of the villa side. Little iconic Little Mermaid statue. The beach club villas are more of like a teal color building, and then you can just take this path or this path over to the main building, which is more of like a blue. And I'll show you a couple little more sitting areas, and then we are gonna go right over to the marketplace to pick up our mobile order. Looks like there's some people in here, but this is that other area I was mentioning. And they do have the TV and little chairs. And then this is one of our favorite areas, is the solarium. It's a little busy this morning, but yesterday we actually came in and ate breakfast in the solarium. So if there's an open seat this morning, we might try to do it again. So then we go into the marketplace, and this is basically quick service mixed with the store. So it's a combo. You can get like grab and go food, You can get drinks. They have the quick service meals. We just did a mobile order. Coffee, the refillable mugs. And then they also have all of the merchandise and the store, and they've got it all here in the marketplace. So we got our mobile order, and there was no spots in the solarium or outside. So we actually just kind of got a little spot here in the lobby, just to kind of eat real quick, and then go from there. So I went with Mickey waffles, and Corey got like a sandwich. It's almost like a McGriddle.
Yeah.
It has egg, bacon, and then the 2 buns are hot cakes.
Like pancakes, yeah.
This lobby is hustling and bustling right about now. But I wanted to show some of the details and colors that have been updated. I always love when you walk in and you have these fresh flowers, and there's the captain to meet you. Check-in is over there. We've got lots of seating. And then right there is where you would check in to dine at the Cape May Cafe. There's Corey. He wanted to go check up the upstairs. Should we take the stairs up?
Yeah, let's go.
We're exploring.
Pretty. I love all the flowers.
Oh, I know. The fresh flowers are one of my favorite things.
Yeah.
It's like all the turquoise and coral colors. Oh, this is a cool perspective, huh? So we've got some rooms up here. It's convenient for sure. Let's take a peek.
Probably be a little loud.
Yeah, that's a little loud. Cool. And the big chandelier with like the seahorses. Alright, that was just a short and sweet vlog with the room tour and showing the lobby. I will link a couple other vlogs that we have from the pool and a little bit more of this resort, staying at the other side, or even Yacht Club, which is right next door. So check out those vlogs, but thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and reach out if you have any questions about staying on property. Bye.